Okay guys, welcome to another video. This is not sponsored video by Rama, but I just received this from Rama, and this Brown was kind enough to send me a t-shirt with my new camshaft, just right here. I'm getting all the parts together, and next Monday, following Monday, I got an appointment. I'm gonna take the bike in to get the camshaft installed. So we got camshaft installation kit here, all the gaskets, all of the O-rings, exhaust gaskets, everything we need there. So over here we have a nice cam bearing. Over here we have a SNS tappets. And over here we have a few little lifters, horsepower plus. From my understanding, these are the best on the market, so I choose those. Hopefully they're gonna work out good for my bike. I'm hoping. Looks like a nice quality product, so I got that. And also I got here SNS push rods and push rod tubes in black. I choose it in black, so that's gonna be nice. And also what I have here is for the caps, I have a little red accent is gonna go on the tubes, so it's gonna dress it up a little nicely. These are from the Road Glide ST 2024. I got this through the dealer from Harley Davidson. So we have all of that there. And of course we cannot forget the camshaft itself. So here we are in this little box over here. I have everything I need to get my camshaft installed to my 2024 Harley Davidson Street Glide with a 117 cubic inch engine. I also have a Screaming Eagle Extreme air cleaner, which is very nice. There's going to be no loss, maybe 1 or 2 horsepower loss, not too bad at all. And I also have Chromeworks Dominators full exhaust, 2x1x2 with the lured baffles. Those are known to make very nice power, very close to 2x1 pipe. I mean, you splitting air, they are that good. Most of the 2x2 exhausts, they are not doing well, but those Chromeworks, they are kicking butt. Very nice exhaust, and it sounds so clean and crispy. It's a very nice exhaust. I highly recommend it. I know some of those 2x1 pipes, maybe they make a little bit torque down low, little bit soon, not much. I can even put a screenshot of the comparison between a Chromeworks 2x2 and 2x1. The difference, it's so little, it's very minimal. So that being said, next Monday, like I said, I'm gonna send it in. The guy told me he's gonna take him a week to do the job. Hopefully I'm gonna get it back by a weekend, and he's gonna be using a TTS to tune the bike. So wish me luck, and I'm looking forward to getting the bike back and enjoy the summer with this camshaft. So from what I seen online, there was a Alpha Performance down in Australia. They did a test with this camshaft on a Road Glide 2024 with a factory head pipe and slip-ons and aftermarket air cleaner. The bike did 138 horsepower and 138 foot-pounds of torque. So I'm kind of excited. I'll be totally honest with you. If my bike makes 130, I'll be very happy with that. But let's just wait and see what happens. The guy gonna get it dyno tuned, and we'll find out what she's gonna make. Well, thank you very much for watching, and stay tuned for the results. I can wait. She's gonna be running beautiful. Okay, see you on the next one, hopefully with a camshaft on the bike. Bye bye.